Hello guys, this is Alex from Cuban Loft. Just want to do a quick video, just messing around with my birds. As you can see, I got them all over me. They know they're gonna eat a little bit from my hand. It's a hand fitting. I already got them used to it, and that's what I want to show you guys today. I mean, my young birds, they love when I come into the loft and feed them with my hands. You see, I got them all over me. This is unstoppable. But we are gonna feed them, hand feed. You see there, right down, crawling all over. Come on. You're not eating from there. No. Come on, guys. Where's my boy? That's my red bird coming. Come on. Where's my boy? Come here. This red check right here is one of the birds that he loved me in here. He loved when I come into the loft. Get out. Hold on. Down. Oh my God, this is crazy, guys. Come here. Come here. Got everybody all over me. Come on, guys. Come on. Bang, 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 bang. This is my red check. He crawl all over me. Bang. Bang. Come on, guys. Come on. Ouch. I got scratched everywhere. They scratched me everywhere. They scratched my neck the other day, and my wife was really pissed about it. She was like, "Who scratched your neck?" Okay, well, that's the birds. Ouch. Come on, guys. Get down. Come on. No. Get down. Come on. Bang. Down. Come on. Come on, guys. Bang. It's my baby boy right here. My red check. And I don't know if you can see it there. But, oh my God, this is crazy. Come on, bang. This bird's really smart. He come eat from where I got all my feet. He don't want to eat from my hand. Come on. Bang. That's my blue check there. It's one of my favorite birds. These two birds right here, the red check and the dark check right there on my leg. Those two are one of my favorite birds. Pretty good birds. They've been really good on the training toast. We see how they do in the race. We're almost there. We only got almost a month, less than a month. I'm sorry. Today I'm messing around with my birds. I spend probably in the afternoon. I came to the loft and I hand feed down every day. Probably spend 1 hour here feeding them, hand feeding. They was fed at 10 in the morning, but you know, this is an everyday thing that I do. Coming here and feed down. Come on, get on my shoulder. Get on my shoulder. Get down. Get down, baby. Come on. Get down. Come on. Come on. Hey. Go. Go there. they see me in here, they go crazy. They know it's feeding time. What's going on? Huh? What's going on? Go down. Get down. Come on. They're about to finish the mold. So, almost all my birds, they are molding the neck right now, which is the last step. I hope they do good. I can't wait till the race starts. Get down. Okay, that's it. Come on. Go. I always try to keep my birds hungry. The reason why I do that is because that way when they come back from the race or the train, they come into the trap door real quick. That's why I try to keep them hungry all the time. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the video right now. I hope you guys enjoying my videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel and log into my website, guys.